Just looking over, getting ready for the springtime. What will we plant in the springtime? Getting ready for the springtime. Even though it's just January, but it's good to go ahead and be thinking about, you know, how we're going to do things, how we're going to set it up, what will be planted. That's what we're doing. Well, that's what I'm doing now. Pretty sure my husband has his ideas as well, and I also have mine. But yeah. What are we going to do for the spring? Whew. Sorry about that. Finger got in the way. But yep, so y'all stay tuned to see what all we're gonna do this spring.